tell that waitress. She's all into you now.
Fuck you.
Back like scoliosis.
She was digging it. Oh man.
She wants my knee.
The big D.
She wants to watch the game. Nicole!
Come here. You know,
We need your assistance.
we're filming a documentary about how nice and you are like the epitome of sweetness, correct?
It means a lot. 7 years of experience.
7 years.
7. You're holding up 8 fingers, Josh.
I know. 7 years of experience. This is what you get. It's good service. And